Pakistan's judiciary continues to navigate turbulent waters after the introduction of the 27th constitutional amendment. 5 judges of the Islamabad High Court have filed a miscellaneous petition before the newly created Federal Constitutional Court, challenging the transfer of their intra-court appeal from the Supreme Court to the FCC. This appeal concerns the transfer of 3 judges from other high courts to Islamabad, a decision earlier upheld by the Supreme Court's now-dissolved constitutional bench. The judges argue that under the Constitution, appellate jurisdiction in such matters belongs to the Supreme Court, and shifting their case to the FCC under the new amendment is unconstitutional. They maintain that while Parliament can amend the Constitution, it cannot restructure or weaken the judiciary, nor can it transfer core judicial powers to a separate forum created through a disputed amendment. They also say the amendment allowing the transfer of High Court judges without their consent undermines judicial independence, exposing judges to pressure and potential manipulation. The FCC must now decide whether it has the authority to hear their appeal or whether the case must be returned to the Supreme Court. This comes after the same judges attempted to challenge the amendment directly at the Supreme Court earlier this week but were told to approach the FCC instead. Meanwhile, opposition to the new policy has spread beyond the courts. In Karachi, the Bar Association staged a protest at the Sindh High Court against the amendment that created the FCC and shifted key powers away from the Supreme Court. Lawyers chanted slogans inside the court premises, and a brief scuffle with police broke out before officers stepped back and allowed the demonstration to continue. The protest follows multiple strikes by the Karachi Bar Association, which has condemned the amendment and expressed solidarity with the 2 Supreme Court judges, Mansoor Ali Shah and Athar Minallah, who resigned hours after it came into force. Lawyers say the amendment diminishes the authority of the Supreme Court and destabilizes the judicial structure. As token strikes continue this week, and as the FCC prepares to decide whether it can hear the Islamabad judges' appeal, the legal community remains sharply divided. What we know so far is that the new policy, reshaping powers, jurisdictions and judicial appointments, has triggered one of the most significant constitutional pushbacks in years.